everyone to Mary Center 2020 Vision Gala celebration. This will be an evening of reflection and celebration, a special night to celebrate over 3 decades of providing health, hope, and opportunity.
Taking pictures, make sure you can see no less. That wig secure like the money in a safe.
Welcome to the 2020 Vision Gala from Mary Center.
Please sit back and enjoy the evening.
Mary Center has a privilege to be that safe space and to be the beacon of hope for that community. I thank you for joining us tonight to celebrate the heroes who are the heart of Mary Center.
One of the big things that came out of that, though, was actually embracing what we had already been doing, which was telemedicine. The telemedicine service had started. We had done maybe 3,000 visits in 2 years. But then when you pivot and go to 80% of encounters in such a short period of time, in that month of April alone, we saw close to 10,000 encounters out of the 14,000 visits, which is quite significant.
So we wanted to make sure that Mary Center in this moment, but also going forward, is well-positioned, well-resourced, well-supported to meet the challenge that's necessary to make sure the high level of quality care that Mary Center is known for continues. And in particular, is increased to meet the demand that this pandemic has created.
I want to appeal to each of you watching tonight to think with your minds and feel with your heart and reach as deep as you can to help Mary Center attend to those in desperate need.
There's a level here for everybody. We are encouraging everybody that's tuned in, that's watching us, that's with us tonight to join us. Let's talk about what $10,000 would do right now. This will provide a family of 4 with 1 year of support services, your generosity, because we have lots of gifts that started out here tonight at a variety of different levels. I see there on the leadership board.
Mary Center provides comprehensive health care to over 60,000 patients in D.C. and Maryland at 8 different sites. It really is incredible.
Before COVID-19, over 70% of the 60,000 participants served by Mary Center met or fell below the federal definition of low income. I want to thank you again for being part of this special night and for helping our community reclaim our health.
Mary Center is really there to support teens, to help them make wise lifestyle choices, to help them succeed in high school, to apply for college, and to go to college prepared to succeed there as well.
Because we all know just how important having clean, healthy teeth are for your mind, body, and your soul. So let's raise our virtual paddles to support Mary Center in providing dental care.
For every $150 donated, you will provide support to cover a medical appointment for 1 uninsured patient. Your donation could be a life-saving contribution.
Mary Center is definitely counting on you to support those in need right now.
In order for Mary Center to actually continue to serve their community, the standards that these people deserve, they really do need you to open up your hearts, open up your wallets. Every dollar counts.
Well, as with kind of most things in our family, we went to an event, Thanksgiving Day stuffing bag event. And Michelle was home, Ryan was just born, and so it was kind of a father-son thing to kind of do. And that had a real meaningful impact on Andrew and on me, and it really morphed into our family's tradition around Thanksgiving.
Us through board service, or the boys through volunteer events, and I think it's been just a meaningful part of how we are trying to raise them. We want them to be, have their eyes wide open and understand that, different circumstances for different people and everybody can do some good. I think we, have been proud to be even just a small part of the Mary Center story over time. And, I think this award really it celebrates Mary Center, right? And all the staff, right? They are the heroes every day that are driving this work and really impacting lives. And, if we can lend a hand and bring some skills and some of our resources to bear, we couldn't be happier to do that.
Thank you very much for attending this gala tonight, this evening, and for your support of Mary Center.